All right, we're at Coronavirus 2020 science lessons. You might have seen some other stuff on there. I'm going to get back to that muskrat. It'll be on my dinner plate in a day or two. More on that later. So we're going to talk about invasive species now. We're in my woods and we are looking at my nemesis. This is Asian bush honeysuckle. And if you look at this, it's one of the earliest shrubby things that are leafing out right now in the spring. And you can see here's a tuft of leaves and here a tuft of leaves. They are opposite each other. If you guys remember from your leaf collections in middle school, alternate means we have a leaf here, leaf here, leaf here, and they are alternating sides. Here they are opposite. Not a lot right now is leafing out that actually has that. What we see in the stems, you see greater in this mature specimen there. You see how the bark kind of has like a parallel grain pattern going up. You see that more in the mature plants like we have here. This plant is several years old. To get rid of it, I'm probably going to saw that down and then use chemical on it. The younger ones, if you look at the bark, it's a much lighter color. These can just be pulled up, very easy to pull up. Another one that we're standing on, this is called winter creeper. And if you look, this is an evergreen, stays green year round. And this is an invasive non-native as well. This is some really nasty stuff. You have to spray while it's dormant, often multiple sprays, and this does not belong here, and it will just coat thousands of square feet if you don't get it under control. So I'm spraying now. It's still dormant. You're supposed to spray when the temperature is ideally over 40 degrees. I guess even better if it's 50 or 55. So I'm out spraying that today as well.
How do you feel about the environmental implications of spraying?
I don't like spraying. It's not good for other plants, but an Asian bush honeysuckle infestation, and Dobbs Park has an example of a tremendous infestation. It can actually reduce hardwood growth, the tree growth, by 50%. So it does an awful lot of damage. So I'm done.